Anyways, now I'm after work, did that. Now I'm headed back home to let Lizzie out to go to the bathroom. And I will talk to you later. I love you too. I will. I do need a new back tire soon. Hopefully next... No, I totally agree. So hopefully next paycheck, maybe get a discount on my birthday or something. I don't know. Maybe my family will give me some money. But anyways, I don't know. But I'm gonna get going. No, I know. Okay. Huh?
What?
You said what? I don't know what you mean by that. Yep. Alright, well. Okay, love you, Mom. Okay, keep going.